Hi everyone. Recently I completed AWS AI Practitioner certification with perfect score of 1000, and in this video I will share my experience and hope someone might find it helpful. First of all, what is AWS AI Practitioner exam? So it's latest offering from AWS and mainly covers fundamental of AI, ML and GenAI. To be specific, exam mainly covers questions from SageMaker, Bedrock and other core AI services. Also, there are questions from ML pipelines and how to integrate AWS AI services with other core services like OpenSearch and S3. So coming to cost of this exam, it's 100 USD and there are 65 questions in 90 minutes and out of 1000 marks you have to score minimum 720 marks to pass the exam. Now you might be thinking how difficult this exam is. So personally I found it of medium level difficulty. Suppose we keep Cloud Practitioner at level 3 and Solution Architect Associate at level 9, then I will keep this exam somewhere between 4 and 5. To prepare for this exam, I utilize these resources. First one is Be a Solution Architect cohorts. So this is the official website and they keep organizing cohort every few months for basics of AWS, and I took part in cohort 6 which was organized around October 2024 and it was on basic GenAI services offered by AWS. Whole playlist is available for free on YouTube and you can also go through it on this channel. Also they are organizing cohort 7 now which is ongoing, that also you can check out. Another resource that I utilized is Stephen Mark's courses on Udemy. So I took his AI practitioner exam and also practice exam. Also AWS Skill Builder have this free course for preparation on AI practitioner, and although I have not utilized this, but curriculum looks promising, so you can also check out that. After going through courses, it's very important to do some hands-on using labs and also go through practice exams to understand the format of questions which are going to appear. You can find a lot of GenAI related workshops on workshops.aws. For example, these are workshops on Bedrock and these are self-paced ones, so you can do at your own pace. Now, how much time I took for preparation of this exam. So before this exam, I had already taken Solution Architect Associate and Cloud Practitioner certification. For this exam, I first gone through pre-recorded videos of VSAP cohort, and then on Udemy course, I just gone through GenAI part and labs, and with these two only parallelly I was also going to do practice exams. So for me it took roughly around 15 days, but if you are new it might take 1 month or even more time. So this is it for this video. I will provide link to all resources in the description. Hope you find it helpful. Thanks for watching.